Hi, I'm Fenesha Hubbard, an educator of 20 years. I'd like to talk with you for a moment about a very hot topic, and that is equity in education. Everyone is talking about equity in education, and we are experiencing ideological conflicts, changes in legislation, culture wars. I understand that equity work is complex. Sometimes simply talking about equity is difficult. And that's why I want to introduce you to a solution that will guide your equity conversations and empower you as an equity change agent. I lead the design and development of professional learning for teachers, and my most recent work is a book entitled The Equity Expression and a series of workshops to accompany the book. What makes this equity work unique is that we're talking about the key things that are missing from the equity conversation. We're addressing teacher efficacy, which is the level of confidence that teachers have in their ability to guide our students towards success. We're helping educators make sense of their pedagogical content knowledge. And that's a combination of what they know about the subjects that they teach and how they teach it to make the content come alive for students. And we're focusing on concepts and approaches that support a teacher's continuous personal growth and professional learning. Concepts such as academic identities, data identities, self reflection as a practice. This work is important and essential because it empowers our teachers to be better, to be the best for our students. Whether you are a parent, an educator, a district leader, or a stakeholder in our students' teaching and learning, I encourage you to check out the equity expression in our accompanying workshops. Let me know how we can work together to make academic success a non negotiable goal for all students. I believe that together we can create a more equitable educational system for our students. I'm Fenesha Hubbard, and I look forward to working with you.